At just 10 years old, she's already changing lives at just 10 years old. Most children are thinking about games in school. But one young Jamaican entrepreneur is already thinking about giving back. Meet Amiah Rae Chang, a 10-year-old CEO with a heart as big as her dreams. Originally from Manchester, Jamaica, and now living in Anegada in the British Virgin Islands. Amiah is the founder and CEO of Amiah's Lemonade Stand. From her hard-earned profits, Amiah recently donated $250 to two charities helping Jamaica's most vulnerable. Give Back Jamaica and the Friends of Porous Association. Amiah says she chose these charities because they do real work and keep their promises. But her reason for giving goes even deeper. After losing her father at a very young age, Amiah watched her mother struggle and receive help when it mattered most. That experience shaped her understanding of compassion, community, and the power of support. She credits her mother for instilling values of self-worth, respect, humility, and service. Amiah says she's constantly reminded that life is a cycle and that it's important to always remember where you come from. Amiah started her lemonade stand at just 7 years old. Through it, she learned how to count money, interact with customers, calculate profits, and understand the basics of business. Lessons many don't learn until adulthood. She says the biggest reward is earning her own money and learning through real-life conversations with people from all walks of life. While her original goal was to save for university, Amiah is now reinvesting in her business and donating 10% of her profits to charity. Her vision? Grow her business, fund her education, and continue helping others along the way. At just 10 years old, Amiah Rae Chang is proving that leadership isn't about age. It's about heart, values, and action. Because even the smallest lemonade stand can make a powerful difference. If this story inspired you, share it. Support youth entrepreneurs. And remember, giving back always comes full circle.